Hello everyone, welcome to Smart English with me Metris Nawati Hulu from SMA Negeri 1 Alasa. Are you ready to learn English? Let's start now! Before we are continue about our material, we have to know what is the purpose of our material. Nah, apa tujuan pembelajaran kita? Yaitu for the first is mengidentifikasi ungkapan menanyakan pendapat dalam bahasa Inggris. And the second is mengidentifikasi ungkapan memberikan pendapat dalam bahasa Inggris. Nah, itu adalah merupakan tujuan pembelajaran kita tentang materi expression of asking and giving opinion.
Hi Selena, what's up?
Hi Tasha. Our principal asked me to join a speech competition next month. What do you think about it?
In my opinion, your public speaking skill will improve by joining the competition and you'll meet new friends at the tournament.
Well, I think so. Thank you, Tasha.
Nah adik-adik, kamu pernah nggak sih menanyakan dan meminta pendapat dari orang lain? Mungkin dari orang tua, dari guru, ataupun dari teman. Seperti dialog sebelumnya, seseorang menanyakan dan meminta pendapat dari temannya. Nah, sekarang kita akan belajar tentang bagaimana mengungkapkan ekspresi menanyakan dan meminta pendapat dari orang lain or expression of asking and giving opinion. Nah, adik-adik, sekarang kita akan membahas tentang expression of asking opinion. So, what is the meaning of expression of asking opinion? Ekspresi ketika kita ingin menanyakan pendapat kepada orang lain tentang sesuatu hal. Nah, bagaimana contoh ekspresinya? Let's check it out. Well, there are some expression of asking opinion. For the first is, what do you think? Apa yang kamu pikirkan tentang? For example, what do you think about my motorcycle? And the second is, what is your opinion? Apa pendapat kamu? Contohnya, what is your opinion about my bag? What is your opinion about my new hair? Let's talk about expression of giving opinion. So, what is the meaning of expression of giving opinion? Yaitu ekspresi ketika kita ingin merespon atau memberikan pendapat kepada orang lain tentang sesuatu hal. So, what is some expression about giving opinion? For the first is, in my opinion, I think, I believe, and the last is I consider. Nah adik-adik, gimana? Sekarang sudah paham kan penjelasan kakak tentang expression of asking and giving opinion? Nah, di sini kakak akan memberikan satu contoh lagi tentang expression of asking and giving opinion. Let's check it out. Terin, what do you think about our competition in Independence Day? In my opinion, it's good because we can test our talents and our abilities. Nah, itu adalah contoh tentang expression of asking and giving opinion. Nah, adik-adik, gimana? Sudah mengerti kan tentang materi expression of asking and giving opinion? Gampang kan adik-adik? Kamu juga bisa loh mempraktekannya sendiri. Well, that's all about lesson today and keep studying English every day because English is really fun.